Hi YouTube, I'm Dylan, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to draw Beast, one of the original members of the X-Men. So, hit that subscribe button, get a pencil, get a nice piece of paper, let's get started. We're going to start with his head, which will be a circle, and draw with your shoulder to get it perfect. And then on this side will be his jaw. It's okay if the side is just smooth because it's going to be like tucked behind his body, and we're going to have him like make him look like he's jumping. And this will be his upper body. We'll put the center line to know where the middle of it is. And right back here is going to be sort of something of a square for his hair. It's just a guide. And put center lines in the middle of his head to know where the middle and where his eyes will fall. And then on this side, we're going to draw a circle for his shoulder. Choose a circle here. Then I'm going to put this side for his arm. The smaller circle is going to be his elbow. And this is his hand. This side will be his arm that's a little straight. And we're going to put a triangle down here for his lower body. And then we're going to do the same thing as we did for his arms. We're also going to do for his legs. All like this. Okay, so we got our basic stick figure of the character. Now it's time to get into his further details, like his... this is just the front. Now we'll draw because his body overlaps the head. And then right here for his hair, it's going to be, his hair is a little bit long, almost like Wolverine's. And it kind of combs back a bit. Get this side right here. And then right here will be his cheek. And now, up here is one side of his hair. It combs this way, and it comes up like this. And then the back side of his hair connects to the back of his neck, just like that. And then right here, you're going to draw these zigzag lines for the other side of his hair. This one's going to curve out a bit, like that. And then there's a point right here. Okay, so we got his hair in, maybe put a little more detail, and now we will draw his eyes. And his eyes, we're gonna make him look a little bit angry, but not really angry like the Hulk, because he's not really monstrous. He's more calm and more in control. And we have to put his eyebrows, which will be like this. And then right here, you're going to put a bit of a a diamond shape right here for his nose. Here's the side. Right here, you're going to draw kind of his underline of his eye. And then right here, we'll put his mouth. And like I said, we're going to make him look angry, like he's in action. He's not angry like the Hulk. And the difference between him and the Hulk is that he has these fangs on his teeth. So you just draw these curved triangles that go like this. And here's another one right, same thing down here. Gotta get his tongue and fill that in. And now we'll draw his neck a little more. Here's his chest. And this beast, he wears this sort of kind of a coat on. So you're going to draw these sort of triangles that come like this. Well, there's one on, and then the one on this side will be like this. Put this curve right here. And then he has these stripes on it. There's his upper chest. And then for the rest of his body, here's the inside of his coat. And we also need to give him his ab lines. And now we're going to draw his legs. Okay, so let's get his legs. And right here. Here's a stripe on that side. Here's the bottom part of his legs. And now we need to draw his feet. So we're going to put these zigzag lines for his fur. We're going to draw one of them. Here's the joints of his foot. Here's one of his he has toes because he's barefoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then right here, you're going to draw his And here's his other foot. And then this one will only show 3 of his feet because it's turned to the side a bit. So here's 3 of his toes, and then here's his thumb toe right here. And then you can beef up this bottom line right here. All right, now we're gonna draw his arms. We'll start with the one on his side. So here's his shoulder. Here's his forearm, his top of it, and then he's gonna have one finger kind of like pointing like this. So there's one end. Okay, and then we're gonna get this arm, and he's gonna have his whole hand showing. So we'll draw the zigzag line, get his shoulder there, his armpit line, here's one end, here's the back of his bicep, here's his forearm, here's the elbow zigzag lines, here's the top part of his arm, here's one of his, he has these claws, another difference between him and the Hulk. Here's another claw. And then here's that looks pretty good. Okay, and then we're gonna try and give him those claws. So there's one of them. And then maybe we'll define those claws a bit more on this side. And maybe we can, if you want, put some shadows on him. Get some on his body. Under his legs. And get one more shadow on his other arm. And definitely put some on his hand. And there you go. You have your own drawing of the Beast of the X-Men. Hope this helped you. We'll see you next time.